When disasters strike, will you be ready? Whether it's a tsunami swallowing coastlines, a tornado ripping through silence, or a blackout plunging cities into chaos, survival isn't a choice, it's a strategy. In this video, we unveil 20 doomsday gadgets engineered for the unthinkable. Gear that keeps you alive when the sirens scream and the grid goes dark. From waterproof satellite messengers and solar generators to life vests and tactical dry bags, each item is a lifeline built for real-world impact. This isn't just a gear list, it's your survival blueprint. Let's dive in. When disaster strikes and communication collapses, this hand-crank emergency radio becomes your lifeline. Whether you're facing a tsunami, tornado, or blackout, it delivers critical NOAA weather alerts via AM/FM channels, no grid required. Powered by solar, battery, or hand crank, it doubles as a flashlight and USB phone charger, keeping you connected and visible in total darkness. Waterproof and SOS enabled, it's built for survival storms, camping emergencies, and doomsday prep. Just think, no cell service, no Wi-Fi, no help in sight. The Garmin InReach Mini keeps you connected when everything else fails. This palm-sized satellite communicator sends SOS alerts, shares GPS location, and enables two-way messaging via the Iridium network. Lightweight, rugged, and built for extreme conditions, it's your lifeline off-grid. Whether you're stranded, lost, or navigating chaos, this device ensures you're never truly alone. Stay tracked, stay safe, stay reachable. Imagine being cut off from the world. No power, no signal, no direction. The MIDDOW Military Smartwatch is your all-in-one survival risk command. With built-in flashlight, compass, and heart rate tracking, this rugged camo green beast keeps you oriented, alert, and alive. Make or receive calls directly from your wrist, even in emergencies. Its IP68 waterproof rating, HD screen, and long battery life make it perfect for storm zones, blackouts, or bug-out missions. When every second counts, this isn't just a watch, it's your tactical edge. If the water rises fast and panic sets in, this automatic inflatable life jacket could be the difference between survival and tragedy. Designed for adults and supporting up to 330 pounds, it auto-inflates on contact with water. No fumbling, no delay. Its low-profile design ensures mobility while offering full flotation support. Whether you're caught in a flash flood, storm surge, or coastal emergency, this PFD keeps you afloat and visible. Lightweight, reliable, and built for real-world chaos, this isn't just a vest, it's your second chance. If you're swept into chaos and every second counts, the AnKun Water Rescue Throw Bag is your lifeline. With 50 to 98 feet of high-visibility rope, rated to 2,000 pounds, it's built for fast, precise water rescues, whether you're rafting, kayaking, or trapped in floodwaters. The 3/10-inch thick rope offers serious tensile strength, while the bright safety bag ensures visibility in low light or turbulent conditions. Lightweight, reliable, and easy to deploy. When the lights go out and your hands are full, the LHKNL headlamp flashlight keeps you moving through the dark. This ultra-light rechargeable LED headlamp packs serious brightness with 8 versatile modes, including red light for night vision and motion sensor activation for hands-free control. Waterproof and impact-resistant, it's built for blackouts, bug-outs, and survival missions. Whether you're navigating debris, setting up camp, or signaling for help, this 2-pack ensures you're never left in the dark. Strap in, light up, and lead the way. If roads vanish and water becomes your only escape, The INTEX Excursion 4 inflatable boat is your mobile survival platform. Built for up to 4 people and rated to 1,100 pounds, it includes deluxe 54-inch oars, a high-output pump, and adjustable seats with backrests for comfort during long evacuations or rescue missions. It's perfect for flood zones, coastal retreats, or bug-out waterways. Lightweight, durable, and ready to deploy. This isn't just a boat, it's your floating fortress. If you're forced to move through flood zones or relentless rain, the EarthPack waterproof backpack is your ultimate gear hauler. Built with heavy-duty materials and a roll-top closure, it seals out water, mud, and chaos, keeping your essentials bone dry. Whether you're hiking, evacuating, or bugging out, its cushioned dry bag and included waterproof phone case protect your tech and survival tools. Rugged, reliable, and ready for impact. This isn't just a backpack. It's your mobile fortress when the elements turn hostile. When warmth is survival and time is short, this 4-pack of natural fire starters delivers instant ignition with zero hassle. Each piece lights easily, even when wet, and burns for up to 30 minutes, giving you reliable heat for wood stoves, campfires, grill pits, or emergency cooking. With a fresh cedar aroma and waterproof design, it's perfect for doomsday prep. If the sky turns hostile and shelter disappears, this orange polyester survival tent becomes your portable refuge. Compact yet durable, it's built for all-season protection. Rain, wind, or cold. The high-visibility orange fabric makes you easy to spot in emergencies. Lightweight and easy to deploy. It's ideal for bug-out bags, roadside breakdowns, or wilderness survival. Whether you're camping or caught in chaos, this tent turns any terrain into a safe zone. Stay dry, stay seen, stay sheltered. When space is limited, but versatility is vital, the GIRIAITUS Multitool pry bar packs survival-grade functionality into a compact steel frame. It's not just a pry bar. It's a multi-tool knife, box cutter, hex wrench, screwdriver, and bottle opener all in one. Built for everyday carry and emergency use, it's perfect for cycling, camping, or navigating urban collapse. Whether you're fixing, cutting, or prying your way through chaos, this tool earns its spot in your kit. If food supplies vanish and cooking isn't an option, Peak Refuel Biscuits and Sausage Gravy delivers comfort and calories when you need them most. This freeze-dried meal packs 2 hearty servings of protein-rich, home-style flavor, ready in minutes with just hot water. Lightweight, shelf-stable, and built for emergency prep. It's perfect for bug-out bags, blackout kits, or off-grid survival. If the grid fails and hot meals become rare, the Odoland Windproof camp stove brings firepower to your survival kit. With up to 6,800 watts of heat output and a windproof design, it boils water fast, even in harsh conditions. The piezo ignition means no matches, no fuss, just instant flame. Compact, collapsible, and packed with a fuel canister adapter and carry case. It's perfect for bug-out bags, blackout cooking, or off-grid living. Lightweight but fierce, this stove turns chaos into comfort. Cook, boil, survive. When mobility meets unpredictability, Cycorld men's hiking pants deliver performance that adapts to survival. Lightweight, water-resistant, and quick-drying. They're built for sudden downpours, muddy trails, and long treks through uncertain terrain. The stretch fabric offers full freedom of movement, whether you're climbing, fishing, or escaping chaos. Durable enough for rugged use, yet breathable for all-day comfort. These pants are a must-have for bug-out bags and emergency kits. Travel light, Move fast, stay dry. These aren't just pants, they're tactical legs for survival. When every step could mean danger or escape, Free Soldier men's tactical work boots keep you grounded and moving. Built with durable suede leather and a waterproof design, these 6-inch boots are made for rough terrain, wet conditions, and long treks under pressure. Lightweight yet rugged, they offer ankle support, slip resistance, and all-day comfort, whether you're hiking out, bugging out, or holding your ground. In survival mode, your feet are your foundation. Lace up with confidence, move fast, stand firm. When cold creeps in and comfort disappears, this waterproof outdoor blanket becomes your portable shield. Lined with ultra-soft fleece and backed by a windproof, waterproof layer, it traps warmth and blocks out the elements. Perfect for emergency shelters, car kits, or bug-out bags. Whether you're camping, stranded roadside, or braving a blackout, its large size wraps you in instant insulation. Machine washable and built for rugged use, it's more than a blanket. It's your barrier against the cold when survival demands warmth. Imagine total darkness. No power, no signal, no backup. The Glow Fever military-grade glow sticks become your silent beacon. With 12 hours of ultra-bright red illumination, this 10-pack lights up blackouts, shelters, and survival zones without batteries or flames. Waterproof, non-toxic, and instantly visible, they're perfect for marking safe paths, signaling for help, or navigating chaos. Whether you're underground, off-grid, or in a storm, these glow sticks turn fear into visibility. Quiet, reliable, unmissable. When sharp edges threaten and precision matters, the Schwer ProGuard PR3326 gloves are your tactical armor. Engineered to ANSI A9, the highest cut resistance level, they shield your hands from glass, metal, and chaos without sacrificing dexterity. Reinforced thumbs and non-slip grip give you control in high-risk tasks, while breathable fabric and touchscreen compatibility keep you agile and connected. PFAS-free and built for durability. These gloves are essential for rescue, repair, and survival. Slip them on and face danger with confidence. Imagine you're stranded. The river is your only source and boiling isn't an option. Aquatabs 397 mg water purification tablets become your invisible shield. Each tablet neutralizes bacteria, viruses, and harmful pathogens, turning questionable water into safe hydration in minutes. With 100 tablets per pack, it's lightweight, shelf-stable, and trusted by global relief agencies. Whether you're camping, boating, or surviving off-grid, this is water security in your pocket. No filter, no fire. Just drop, wait, and drink. Purify with confidence. When seconds matter and escape is critical, the StatGear Supervisor XD is your in-vehicle lifesaver. Designed by first responders, this compact tool mounts directly to your sun visor, always within reach. With a razor-sharp seatbelt cutter and hardened steel window breaker, it slices through restraints and shatters glass in emergencies like rollovers, floods, or fire. Lightweight, durable, and built for survival, it's not just gear, it's your exit strategy when every second counts.